Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Kabu Squad 0. I'm joined by Trico.
Stivo,
Yeah.
how are you, man?
I'm not.
I'm good.
Yes.
First of all, respect this one, man.
Yeah, this page.
Respect this page.
This page.
If you see those people here, there's no Paris fan here.
Yeah.
We are family here.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs family.
Yeah.
We are together.
Yeah.
Paris family, they are Orlando.
Yes.
They're going there to celebrate the win. They want the win.
Yeah.
Let's come back to the game, bro.
Boy and Chaga.
First 45 minutes
Yeah.
was marvelous.
Yeah.
Was good. If you see that guy in fan,
Sure.
I'm not.
Answer him.
No, I'm not.
Zoem.
Second half, we're supposed to score 3 before second half.
Yay.
You understand?
First 45.
First 45 minutes.
Yay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm happy, bro. I'm happy. Mana, Batuba. Abazi football Batuba.
Yeah.
Mana wa tele for mahala. Abazi sir Batuba.
Yeah.
You understand? Batuba the crowd Batuba.
Yeah.
Crowd Batuba.
Yeah.
Come second half. Come second half. Come second half, Brane. I was very disappointed.
Ka.
Coach, me bro.
Why?
I'm paid.
I'm paid.
No, tell you today.
Yeah.
Nasi better than Ngoba.
Yes.
No, it was better.
Yes,
Even,
yes.
even Solomon.
Yes.
Even Mahabu.
Yes.
You understand?
I can understand.
But you know what? For performance, I remember.
Yeah.
Performance it was good.
Yeah.
And then as Kaizer Chiefs family, win.
Fair.
How do you do
Fair.
win? And then performance of yourself.
Yeah.
I wish go leaking. But Talagana hard.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ba!
Yeah.
Ke feriza mona ke a leboga win.
Yeah.
Ba maraba starter ba.
Yeah.
Ba maraba starter. Sundowns. Ba sa jobetwa. Katoso. Ba se ka moraga. Re a mata le rena. Ba ba tlogela se ka moraga. Yeah. Viva ba khotsi viva.